Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove green screen on VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project. Okay, and since we want to edit video, we can choose video based and click on save. Alright, and then you're going to add a video you want to edit. For example, I'm just going to select video from my gallery. I'm going to choose this one. Oops, sorry. I'm going to select this video, and then I'm going to add green screen to this video. If you want to add green screen, we can go to the PIP and then go to the photos or videos, and I'm going to add green screen video to my project. Wait, I'm going to go to my download folder because the green screen video is here. And for instance guys, I'm going to add this billboard green screen to my project. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the fill option or fit option to fit the screen like this. And wait, I'm going to make the first video align with the second video. Okay, and to remove the green screen, we can click on the green screen until it's active. As you can see by the outline that this clip is active. And then we're going to go to the Chroma feature to remove green screen. And you can place this color picker on the green screen to remove it, and then adjust the intensity and adjust the spill. Okay, and click on the check mark. And as you can see guys, that the green screen, the green screen has been removed from my video. And wait, I'm going to adjust my video. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay, that's easy, right? Basically, we can use Chroma feature to remove green screen from our video. Okay, and if you want to export the video, you just need to select this option, and then you can choose the resolution and click on export to save the video to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove green screen on VN video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.